To ensure your operation is running efficiently, it is important to have a clean heat exchanger. But the process of removing, cleaning, and reinstalling a heat exchanger can be complicated and time-consuming. It requires the organization of many different specialist suppliers, all working together seamlessly. The Total Care Heat Exchanger cleaning service provided by Thermo-Clean takes this headache away. We provide a one-stop heat exchanger cleaning experience. Working closely with our expert partners, Thermo-Clean takes care of each step of the whole project with guaranteed first-class results. Step 1. We will remove or swap out the complete heat exchanger. We can only swap it out if you have a spare, but this option can cut your downtime from 1 or 2 weeks to as little as 1 or 2 days. Step 2. We provide the correct transportation for the exchanger to the Thermo-Clean facility. Step 3. We will dismantle the heads. Step 4. We extract the tube bundle from the shell. In case the bundle is mechanically blocked in its shell, we will first perform a thermal cleaning, after which the bundle can be extracted from its shell. Step 5. Our advanced thermal cleaning process will safely clean all of the parts. In comparison to other cleaning methods, our unique thermal cleaning process delivers superior benefits. Your heat exchanger will return to original performance values, not only improving efficiency, but enabling less frequent cleaning with lower costs and less downtime. Step 6. Once cleaned, eddy current measurement, shell refinishing, retubing, or other maintenance can be provided as required. Step 7. We then reassemble. Step 8. Pressure test. Step 9. Return transportation. Step 10. Your clean heat exchanger is now reinstalled, or if swapped out, it can be kept in reserve. A dirty heat exchanger will no longer be an inconvenience, and your operation is assured to run smoothly and profitably. We like to share our solutions. How can we help you?